Pag-ibig MPL, may grace period ba sa bayad? Alamin. Well, friends, before natin sagutin ang question, please watch the full video. Kasi sa last part po, may example po tayo. Alright? So ito na po yung sagot. Yes, friends, may grace period po ang bayad sa Pag-ibig MPL. So yung mga Pag-ibig members na hindi pa aware nito, please share this video, friends, sa kanila. Alright? Kasi good news po ito. Bakit good news? Ito po yung example. If may approved MPL tayo, no, dated May 7, 2024. So ang loan term po niyan o ang pagbayad natin is 2 years to pay. For example, mag-start po yan from August 7, 2024 to August 7, 2026. Opo, meron tayong grace period from May 8, 2024 up to August 6, 2024. Simply said, hindi pa tayo mag-start magbayad niyan. Kasi nga, 3 months after pa tayo mag-start ng payment. Alright? So, yung mga members natin na hindi pa aware, at least alam nyo na ngayon, friends. So, sabihan nyo po yung HR niyo or payroll in charge na mag-start yung payment nyo 3 months after pa po from loan approval. So, ang gawin ninyo is hingi kayo ng printout from Pag-ibig branch. Then, bigay nyo sa payroll in charge. Yan po ang gawin. So, what happen if may payment kayo prior sa loan term? Ang mangyari niyan, friends, is that is considered advance payment. Hindi pa yan siya ma-post agad. Bali, floating po yung status niyan. Hindi pa yan mag-reflect sa system ni Pag-ibig. So, yung payments nyo na advance payment, nandyan lang yan. So, I suggest, para ma-enjoy nyo yung grace period, huwag muna kayo magbayad. Follow the loan term schedule. Yan po. Alright? Hope na nasagot natin ang question earlier. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Lahat ng concerns niyo about Pag-ibig, GSIS, and employees issues and concerns, sasagutin natin yan. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.